Facebook, good morning. Hope you guys are having a great day, and YouTube, of course, because we're on YouTube as well. First, before we get started, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a plethora of information to help add value to you as a homeowner. Also, we are in beautiful Columbia, Illinois today. A little chilly today, but what we're doing today is a dryer vent cleaning. This person did find me online. And it's actually in the Columbia Lake subdivision, which that's where I live. And we're taking care of them today. So the problem is they had some clogging, and they had a contractor come out and said that, you know, they didn't want to have a house fire because they almost caught fire with their dryer, and they want to make their clothes to dry better. So we're going to take care of it today with our system. Industry standard is at least 35 feet, so I do a pre-inspection. It is within the 35 feet range. Couple 90 degrees and 45, but we can get there no problem. And essentially, the convenient thing about it is we access it from the outside. So all they have to do is turn the dryer on, get an airflow, and I measure the airflow before and after to make sure we have no cloggage and no blockage. So all right guys, stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the bell. Stay tuned. Also, a little tip, guys. It's always good to get your dryer vents cleaned at least every year, especially since you're using it, typically every day. And we only charge $1.99 to come out and service it. And if you do a duct cleaning with our service, we'll go ahead and throw a dryer vent cleaning in for $149. So a little bit of savings there, but we do recommend this every year. And good peace of mind knowing that your dryer works better, more efficient. Your clothes dry better, and prevents house fire. So all right guys, typically it's located right here. Sometimes it's on the roof, but typically we can access these pretty easily for $1.99. So all right guys, little tip of the day. Thanks for watching. Little tip of the day, guys. If you have blockage in your dryer vent like this does here, see that? Look at that, guys. See that? You can't even breathe. So this is why they're having issues. We're going to take care of that farm today. This goes about 35 feet, which is industry standard. Our system goes up to 40 feet. We're going to clean this out farm today. Wow, stay tuned. All right, guys, ready for this? Let's do it. All right, guys, see some results. Wow. Look at that, guys. This all came out of the dryer vent. Wow. That's why it's important to get it cleaned at least once a year. So much better. All right, guys, doing this number 2 dryer vent cleaning today.